Now we are going to learn how to compare rational numbers. Before getting into the topic, we will see some important points from there. Points are: every positive number is greater than 0. Every negative number is smaller than 0. Every positive number is greater than every negative number. Every number on the right of a number on a number line is greater than that of a number. We can compare the integers very easily. When two integers or two fractions are given, we know how to compare them and say which is greater or smaller number. Now in the same way, we can compare a pair of rational numbers. Two rational numbers, we have four types are there. Type 1, comparing two rational numbers with opposite sign. For example, 5 by 17 and minus 10 by 19. Here 5 by 17 is a positive number and minus 10 by 19 is a negative number. Already we have noticed every positive number is greater than every negative number. So positive number is greater. So 5 by 17 is greater than minus 10 by 19. Then type 2, comparing two rational numbers represented by two fractions with the same denominators. Same denominators means that two fractions are called like fractions. Like fractions we can compare easily with the numerator. That is, 1 is less than 4 because 4 is greater number. So 1 by 3 is less than 4 by 3. Here 4 by 3 is greater. Type 3. Comparing two rational numbers represented by two fractions with the different denominators, that is unlike fractions. For example, 3 by 4 and 5 by 6. These two are unlike fractions because the denominators are different. So first step we have to find out the LCM of 4 and 6. So 4 and 6 LCM is 12. Now we are going to make these two fractions as a like fraction. So 3 by 4, first fraction is 3 by 4. So how many 4s are 12? 3 4s are 12. So we can multiply the numerator and the denominator by 3. So 3 3s are 9 and 4 3s are 12. Then the second fraction is 5 by 6. Here LCM is 12. So how many 6 are 12? 2 6 are 12. So we are multiplying 2 in the numerator and the denominator. So 5 2s are 10 and 6 2s are 12. So 9 by 12 is less than 10 by 12. So 9 by 12 corresponding fraction is 3 by 4. 10 by 12 corresponding fraction is 5 by 6. So 5 by 6 is greater than 3 by 4. Comparison of two rational numbers that are not in standard form. And rational numbers can be compared in three different ways. One is by representing a rational numbers on a number line. By using number line, we can compare the rational numbers very easily. Then by using the method we use for the comparison of fractions. Then third one is by cross multiplication method. For example, compare 9 by minus 4 and minus 2 by 3. Here 9 by minus 4 is not in standard form. What is the definition of standard form? The denominator should be positive. Here it is in negative sign and there should not be common factor other than 1. So here there is no common factor other than 1 but the denominator is minus sign. So we have to move the denominator to the numerator sign. So standard form of 9 by minus 4 is minus 9 by 4. Now the given fractions are minus 9 by 4 and minus 2 by 3. By cross multiplication method we can take two fractions minus 9 by 4 comma minus 2 by 3. Now the step is first numerator to the second denominator, then second numerator to the first denominator. That is, first numerator is minus 9 and second denominator is 3. We are crossing the product. Then minus 9 into 3 and minus 2 into 4. Minus 9 into 3 is minus 27 and minus 2 into 4 is minus 8. By comparing minus 27 and minus 8, minus 8 is greater than minus 27. That is, minus 27 is less than minus 8. That is, minus 27 means the fraction is minus 9 by 4. Minus 8 means the fraction is minus 2 by 3. Therefore, minus 9 by 4 is less than minus 2 by 3. That means minus 2 by 3 is greater than minus 9 by 4.